Hey friends, if you wish to fix driver error in Windows 11, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, the first solution is to update all the drivers. And how would you do that? Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now, go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side. Select advanced options in the right pane. Now select optional updates and make sure that all optional updates are installed. After that, there would still be a lot of corrupted drivers, and that is why you are encountering driver error. So search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open device manager. If you notice a yellow exclamation mark corresponding to any driver, simply expand it, right click and uninstall it. Okay, then click on action and scan for hardware changes. And then the next one is to run a check disk scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command chkdsk space forward slash r space forward slash f and hit enter. Press Y and hit enter once again. And the last one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc space forward slash scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.